Hi, I'm Richard Mann. You know, when it comes to the defensive handgun, a lot of real-world engagements occur in low-light situations, which means it's important you know how to use a flashlight when you're shooting. And with me here is Gunsite instructor Eric Ingersoll, and he's going to show us how to use the Harries technique, which is one of my favorites flashlight shooting techniques. So Eric, can you show me how this works?
Absolutely. The Harries technique is I'm going to take my support hand, bring it up underneath my strong hand, and I'm going to put the back of my hands, they're going to be touching. Okay, so in this position, I can engage the switch on my flashlight with my thumb. My elbows are going to be slightly tucked in. This is not a comfortable position. So if you're super comfortable here, you're doing it wrong.
Doing it wrong.
Right. So from here, I got a good stable platform and I can search and do what I need to do.
All right, Eric, can I try it?
Yes.
All right, great.
There you go.
All right, first step.
First step is present your handgun. Okay, bring your support hand underneath your strong hand. Your back of your palms or back of your hand should be touching just about right there.
Okay.
Good. Okay, you're in a good position.
All right, cool. Well, listen, I have a magazine full of Federal match Syntech ammunition. Why don't we try this live fire?
Why don't we do that? Okay, plant your feet face down ready. Touch your eyes, touch your ears, make sure they're on. Make ready. Go ahead and present your handgun. Assume the Harries flashlight technique. Give me 2 rounds. Nicely done.
All right, did I do that right?
That's correct, you did.
All right, we're ready to go fight vampires and whatever now,
All
right?
right, good job.
All right. Hey, thanks for watching, and when are you coming to Gunsite?
Gunsite Academy, originally the American Pistol Institute, was founded by former Marine Jeff Cooper in 1976. It's the oldest civilian firearms training academy in the world, with more than 50 instructors and 26 ranges covering 3,200 acres. Gunsite Academy trains thousands of civilians, law enforcement, and military personnel each year. Often called the Harvard of handguns and the Camelot of the Great Southwest, Gunsite is freedom's backbone.